National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Central Coffee County in Middle Tennessee, Warren County in Middle Tennessee, Southeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Bedford County in Middle Tennessee, Cannon County in Middle Tennessee. Until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of Woodbury to 6 miles east of Springville, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Shelbyville, McMinnville, Lewisburg, Manchester, Woodbury, Walter Hill, Chapel Hill, Cornersville, Morrison, Wartrace, Eagleville, Bell Buckle, Albertown, Centertown, Normandy, Viola, Beechgrove, Rouse, and Fosterville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 23 and 26. Interstate 24 between mile markers 72 and 113. Interstate 840 between mile markers 37 and 57. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
I understand your wife is having a baby. Congratulations.